China Western Power, a professional supplier of system solutions. Founded in 1983 and registered in Zigong, Sichuan Province. China Western Power is a listed company integrating new energy and new material, project EPC, and investment and operation. With more than 30 years development, it has formed 3 main headquarters: Management Headquarter, Operation Headquarter, and R&D Headquarter, and 3 main manufacturing bases for power plant equipment, new energy equipment, and R&D of energy conservation and environment protection. By the end of 2017, total asset of China Western Power surpassed 100 billion yuan, approximately $16 billion, with more than 30 subsidiaries. Products and services of China Western Power have been supplied to more than 30 municipalities, cities, and provinces in China, and more than 50 foreign countries and regions. We have obtained manufacturing qualifications like A-Class Boiler Manufacturing Certificate, Pressure Vessel Design Certificate, ASME, SU, and U2 stamp, and engineering certificates for electric power, construction and building, and municipal works. We have established a domestic first-class technology R&D center, keeping deep cooperation with key and top universities and institutions like Chinese Academy of Sciences, Tsinghua University, Zhejiang University, and Xi'an Jiaotong University, etc. We are the Chinese 4th largest system solution supplier of environment protection and electric power. China Western Power has been awarded National Second Prize for Progress in Science and Technology, the First Prize for Science and Technology for Environmental Protection, and Provincial and Municipal Prizes for Progress in Science and Technology. Currently, we have owned more than 200 patents. China Western Power actively involves herself into the field of new energy, with businesses covering fossil fuel, treatment of municipal solid waste, comprehensive utilization of biomass, industrial waste treatment and energy conservation, and environment protection, etc. A lot of number 1 prizes have been awarded to the projects executed by China Western Power. The 4th supplier that can independently design and manufacture supercritical boilers in China, 1,200 tons per hour, supercritical utility boiler firing high chlorine coal in Kumho. The first Chinese boilers exported to South Korea firing the most mixed gases, including blast furnace gas in the world, 8 by 340 tons per hour ultra-high pressure boilers. The first largest waste-to-energy power generation project, 4 by 750 tons per day in China. The first largest high-temperature and high-pressure biomass-fired CFB boiler, 2 by 220 tons per hour in China. High-temperature and high-pressure CFB boiler, firing 100% petroleum coke, 1,190 tons per hour subcritical PC boiler. The largest alkali recovery boiler in China. China Western Power provides project EPC and investment services, integrating engineering, equipment integration, and high-quality construction in the fields like new energy, environmental protection, 3 waste treatment, smart energy, sponge city, etc. Meanwhile, China Western Power continues to advance technical tracking and R&D to provide customers with tailored system solutions for smart town, smart industrial park, and smart sanitation management, etc. A new pattern of diversified technologies, unit capacity, and both domestic and overseas markets has been formed in China Western Power in the fields of power generation, new energy, environmental protection, and comprehensive treatment, etc. We have signed contracts valuing more than 20 billion yuan, or $3.2 billion for the UK, South Korea, Japan, Russia, Thailand, India, Turkey, and Sri Lanka, etc., continuously serving our clients with our products and services while satisfying our customers. China Western Power is committed to repaying society by improving the environment. CWPC owned 10 waste-to-energy power plants, have been constructed and put into operation, with a capacity of treating 12,000 tons municipal solid waste daily, effectively solving urban waste siege, improving the environment, and directly promoting life quality for more than 10 million people in cities and towns. We have also strategically invested in Bank of Zigong, Haihe Rural Commercial Bank, Zigong Rural Commercial Bank, becoming the first majority shareholder of Bank of Zigong. We also have invested PPP projects, covering fields like Venus Industrial Park, Urban Utility Tunnel, etc., providing our best products and professional services for the public. Customer satisfaction is the sole value for the existence of China Western Power. We are committing to international development, adhere to improving the environment, voluntarily blend in the macro proposition of harmonious coexistence between nature and human beings, with a pure heart like a newborn baby, and determination of craftsmen, creating value for customers, satisfying clients, making water cleaner, sky bluer, and people's life better through unremitting efforts.